Hi, I'm Senior Airman Joshua Dittman with the A-10 demo team here at the 2018 Battle Creek Field of Flight Airshow. And today I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about the A-10C Thunderbolt 2. Warthog is its nickname. It's known for its gun, 30mm Gal-8 Avenger. Fires bullets the size of Coke bottles at almost 70 rounds a second. So that's pretty cool. It actually takes up most of the jet. Comes from the tip right here, all the way back to the leading edge of the wing. That's our entire gun system. Barrels, drums, your high drive, which is your hydraulic drive, it feeds ammunition into the gun. With the gun being as big as it is, the gun's actually off-centered to the left if you're looking facing the direction of the aircraft, and the landing gear is offset to the right. That's so it can make room for the massive amounts of gun parts in the jet. This is just a little bit of what the gun looks like. This would be the drum right here. This would be your hydraulic drive. This is the drum. This is where all the ammunition is stored, and this is also where these shells get recycled back into the aircraft, so none of them actually fall out of the sky. And then when you're working on the gun, you got to be careful. We got this antenna right here. It's known as the crew chief killer. A lot of crew chiefs hit their heads busted open. They got to get staples, stitches, stuff like that. So it hurts if you hit that. And then we got our ladder system right here. It's a built-in ladder so the pilots can open it from the cockpit, and we have a button right here to control it. These are pylons or stations. Normally 11 of them are on the aircraft. For our demo configuration, we take away 7 of them so we can fly at a lower weight, so we can be a little bit faster. This is what carries all of our bombs. We can carry up to 16,000 pounds of bombs. So these are our engines. We have 2 of them. They're mounted higher than normal, so we can land in austere landing conditions, unconventional runways, so we don't have to worry about rocks or anything falling out, destroying our engines. The tail design's incorporated in there with it. High heat masking, so they can deter infrared missiles from seeking them super easy. We had to apply to be on the demo team. You went through an interview process. They asked you a whole bunch of questions, and then you got selected to be on the team. So I wanted to be on the team. Wanted to come to air shows, talk to the people in the crowd, let them know a little bit about the A-10, also about the heritage flight that we do with the P-51 Mustang behind me here. That's really awesome. So it's a really cool experience to be involved in both aspects of it.